Good afternoon to all the media friends. As we have seen on the 17/10 to 2023, in the notification of holiday list that the government of Tripura has issued, we have seen here that only it is written as birthday of Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Debarma, which is an insult to the indigenous people of Tripura. Maharaja Bir Bikram Bahadur Kishore Manikya is not just a Bir Bikram. He is a Maharaja. He is a king of the Tripura kingdom. But what have we seen in the 2024 calendar that the government is trying to issue? We have seen that they have totally erased, removed the title Maharaja from the holiday list and in the calendar. After seeing all this, the Tripura Students Federation Sadaris Divisional Committee went and submitted a letter to the Deputy Secretary, and we spoke with the Deputy Secretary as well as we met with the Minister Sukla Saran Watia and we discussed regarding this matter. After having a long discussion with the Deputy Secretary and then with the Minister, finally yesterday we have received a message from the Deputy Secretary that they have admitted their mistakes. They have admitted, they have also thanked us for bringing into their notice, and they have already ordered an issue to print a fresh calendar. So the 2024 calendar will be printed newly, fresh calendar will be printed. That is what the Deputy Secretary has sent a message to us, and we have also personally spoken to the Deputy Secretary on this matter. So they are taking note of it, and they will be soon printing a fresh calendar of 2024 where Maharaja title will be added in the holiday list, which falls on 19 August on the birthday of our Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Debarma. So, but at the same time we are also waiting so far when this calendar will be printed. If it is not up to our satisfactory, it is not satisfactory, we will continue to protest against this. So we're waiting, we're going to follow up with the administration. We'll soon follow up and we'll get to know what is their next step. We'll check whether they have done it in the right way. If it is not satisfactory, we will hold another protest in this matter.